Zino 2 update. You're going to want to watch this one. Got that coming up next. Hey everyone, Bill from BillTheDroneReviewer, where I make drone and drone related content. If you're new here, welcome and consider subscribing so you don't miss any future content. With all of that, let's begin. Zino Nation and RotoTalk Live's Mr. Ron Braun put out a video this afternoon, which there'll be a card for you can go ahead and check out, that the x-hubsan 2 app was released out on the App Store for Apple today. And the x-hubsan 2 app will be the app for the Zino 2. This is most exciting news. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw a slide up on the screen so you can go ahead and check out what it looks like out on the App Store on Apple. And then I'm going to go ahead and just a very short clip. I went on and downloaded it on my iPad mini so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Now we're going to go through several screens here. Now, what from Ron mentioned to me, he did not see any differences between this and the x-hubsan app, but stay tuned as we will definitely find out more information about this. The other item of note is Ron had asked me to go ahead and check out on the Google Play Store for Android, and unfortunately, it was not out there yet. If anyone does find this out there, please definitely go ahead and leave a comment with the link so we can go ahead and check that out. Now, the other part of the update is this. Now, I received this from my contact with Hubsan. Hello, we've received Hubsan Zino 2 from Hubsan Company. Now we are undergoing quality inspection, and my response back was excellent. This news, coupled with the x-hubsan 2 app being released on the App Store for Apple, means that the Zino 2 shipping is not far behind. So stay tuned to BillTheDroneReviewer for any updates on that. I will be sure to give them to you. Question of the day. Have you checked the x-hubsan 2 app out yet? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.